Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Edge 70 Fusion and I'm going to show you how to organize files with the File Manager. So, actually, on Motorola phones, the default file manager is usually Google Files. And usually, here we have Google Files, but on some older Motorola phones, it can be some different launcher. Actually, I don't know why it's that different, but yeah. Here, as you can see, we have the Files for application. Here, let me don't allow for notifications, and as you can see, let me explain the main categories for you. As you can see, we've got downloads, videos, documents, images, audio, and applications. And collections and of course all storage. Let me, for example, show you. Here, if you download some file on your phone, it will land here in the downloads folder. If you have some video, it will be here. Documents like .pdf or .docx, it will be here. Images, as you can see, are here from our gallery. Audio, of course, if you record some audio with the phone recorder, and apps. Apps are here. And actually, you can create your folders in your own organization system. You need to at first go tap these 3 lines, and no, it's one. Pardon me for that mistake. You need to tap here your internal storage, tap this plus, and now you can create a new folder. Let it be, for example, private. And here create folder. As you can see now, you can search for the private. Here you can create another folder, another. You can name it, for example, private. As you can see, I did here photos, work, receipts. If you long press some file, you can see this share button, pen icon, and this 3 dots icon. If that's 3 dots, you can tap move to or copy to. Here you can select our private, move here. That's how to move. That's how to manage this file structure. You can, for example, make yourself work documents, school and study, camera photos, received in PDFs, like when it comes to the organization within your folders, and how to move and organize the files apart from moving. If you, as I said, tap the 3 dots, you can here compress, rename, move to, and copy to. Copy to, and again here private. And now we have it copied here. As the good habit, keep downloads temporary, move important files into folders immediately. And manage downloads properly. Downloads can get messy fast, so if you go here, you can delete from here some installers like .apks, move PDFs into documents folder, sort images into albums, all folders. Android downloads often accumulate here automatically from browsers, as I said earlier. Use clean suggestions also, because if you tap here and tap this clean, you can tap clean junk files and clear again. It can quickly remove the junk files, delete duplicate files, create memes or screenshot spam, and restart space using this option. This is actually a very cool and nice option. And the same as with the trash. Use trash instead of deleting permanently. Deleted files go to trash and they are not instantly gone. You can recover files if needed and, permanently delete later. File stays in the trash for a limited time of about 30 days. As you can see here, we've got after 30 days. And actually, that's it. Goodbye.